How to hide your stories from specific users on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your stories from a specific user on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. All you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your Instagram. Go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Click on setting. Now click on the third option, which is privacy, and scroll down, click on story. Now the first option, which is hide story from, click on those 0 people and click on search and type the name of that user that you don't want him to watch your stories. Click the name of his account and choose his account, and he's never gonna able to see your stories. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.